What up, YouTube? It's your boy Sidewalk Cracking MF here repping. Finally, I know I made a video a while ago saying that I was going to do a demo of the new system. Got the ReSilient sound, gold, 15 subs in the trunk. Shout out to Robbie at ReSilient Sounds. Let me pop the trunk real quick. Take y'all around here. So this is the box I threw together. Got them big boys in there. D31. I got them on a Skar RP2000.1 a piece. These are wired down to 2 ohms. They're dual 4s. They're wired down to 2. So turn this bad boy on. They really not even broke in yet. I haven't been playing them that much, so I ain't gonna really beat on them, but I'm gonna turn it up to see how they sound. Shout out to JP at Down for Sound for the hookups on the amps and everything. Great prices. And yeah, let's see how this thing sound, man. Let's go back in the Lincoln. Let's get some of this going.
You know what's going on? Yeah. Over there and over there, okay. On for low music.
It ain't bad, man. It ain't bad. This microphone on this phone ain't doing it no justice. Bumper. I'm impressed for what the subs are, man. Dude, I'm impressed. Like I said, I'm still messing with it. Got some things to do to it, man. They really ain't broken in yet. I haven't really been beating on them and playing them, but it's ReSilient sounds, man. ReSilient sounds, man. Coming through. Got it sounding good. Like I said, it's my everyday driver. Got baby seats in the back. You know what I'm saying? And that's the only air that's getting in the cabin. So I'm gonna have to cut that and make a little port action back there. But that's the only air I'm getting in here. I think once I cut that open, make it look neat, and get some airflow really coming through from the trunk, that it'll be even more louder and like a little bit more wind. Next video, I'm gonna try to float a bag. Man, see what happens. So thank everybody for watching. Leave your comments, like, subscribe, and there'll be more to come, man. ReSilient sounds, baby.